The 25th of February 2025, and this is Tuesday. Our study for today is the origin of the controversy in heaven. Genesis 1 to 3 alone shows that evil existed before the fall of Adam and Eve. Even if evil was not a concrete reality in Eden, conceptually, evil has already appeared in the name of the tree of knowledge of good and evil. Genesis chapter 2, verse 9 to 17. You can check that. Then the serpent accuses God of lying when in fact he, the serpent, is the one lying. The existence of the serpent, see Revelation chapter 12 verse 9, along with his lying, shows the reality of evil there. Thus, even in Eden before the fall, the presence of evil is manifest. Read Ezekiel chapter 28, verse 12 to 19, in light of Exodus chapter 25, verse 19 to 20. Then, what is the nature of these beings' fall? After reading those two scriptures, respond to the question, what is the nature of these beings' fall? According to this scripture, the origin of evil and the cosmic conflict began in heaven. Before he fell, the being who became known as Satan was a covering cherub. Beyond being identified as this cherub, he was the seal of perfection, full of wisdom, and perfect in beauty, and was in Eden, the garden of God, that you can find in Ezekiel chapter 28, verse 12 and 13, New King James Version. Neither of these things could be said of the human king of Tyre or any other human. Hence, we know that we have been given here a glimpse into the fall of Lucifer. Read Isaiah chapter 14, verse 12 to 15. Then, what additional light does this shed on the origin of great controversy? According to Isaiah 14, Lucifer decided to exalt himself and make himself like God. This verse complements what we saw in Ezekiel chapter 28, that his heart was lifted up because of his beauty, which should have brought him to glorify the God who made him beautiful. Instead, he became proud. Worse, in this pride, he set out to take God's place and to slander him. The Hebrew term for trading in Ezekiel 28:16 also means slander, an indication of Satan will operate against God and against us as well. As we come to the close of today's study, how do we understand the fact that Lucifer, who fell, was originally perfect from the day he was created, till iniquity was found in him? See Ezekiel chapter 28, verse 15. How could a perfect being fall unless being perfect included true moral freedom? Something to ponder about. Think about this and then give your comments in the chat section. Thank you and see you tomorrow on Wednesday.